Hey, today we are covering bitwise operators in Angular, which are crucial for working with binary data in real projects. Now let me show you why bitwise operators are important. We often need to set, clear, or toggle a bit in a binary number. This is useful in various scenarios like working with flags or binary data. So, how do we achieve this in Angular? We'll explore this in the next sections. The concept of bitwise operators is simple. It's like working with a light switch, where you can turn it on or off. In programming, we use bitwise operators to manipulate individual bits in a binary number. So, a bitwise operator is an operator that performs an operation on the binary representation of a number. Now let's walk through a simple example. So first we have let flags is equal to 0, then we use the bitwise OR operator to set the first bit. And here we have let result is equal to flags vertical bar 1, which sets the first bit to 1. Then we have console.log result, which prints the result. In a real-world project, we might need to work with multiple flags. So, let's say we have a user object with different permissions. We can use bitwise operators to check or set these permissions. Watch what happens here. We use the bitwise OR operator to set multiple permissions. Here's where most people get confused. When using bitwise operators, make sure to understand the order of operations. Did you notice that? The bitwise OR operator has a higher precedence than the assignment operator. So, be careful when using them together. Now, let's see the correct way to do it. That's it for today. Try using bitwise operators in your next project and don't forget to subscribe to Akshay for more programming tutorials.